Hey guys, what's up? This is Xpodix, and this is going to be an upcoming video, guys, so make sure you guys are subscribed. I'm going to do two of them. So one's going to be just the first look at this. Just open it up, which is a Sama. Is that how you say it? Sama? It's not Sama, because there would be an E, right? So Sama SV02. It's kind of like a fish tank type style. They got two pieces of glass right here. You got your basement. And I'm gonna take, it comes with like 3 RGB fans, and so it's metal and glass, and it was like 65 bucks, I think. So pretty solid case, I think. We're gonna see about building it and, you know, the next video, but there'll be a first impression type thing. So the next video is gonna be, why is my screen so dim? Let me turn the brightness up here. Okay. So it's gonna have, it's kind of a budget PC, so it's gonna be around $500. I'm gonna sell it on Facebook Marketplace or something. So it has an i3 9100F. If you can see, it's gonna be hard to see right there. Anyways, it's a 4-core, 4-thread, 9th gen, and it's gonna be on this motherboard. I think it's a gigabyte one. So the cooler, a bunch of this is new too. We got a new cooler, a new case, new cooler, new Crucial M.2 SSD 2280, new power supply. It's a Thermaltake 700. And then, like, you know, cable, I stated argb, and I'm still waiting on the argb to a splitter, and then white cable extensions for GPU, CPU, and 24-pin CPU and GPU cable extensions, and then everything else is used. But yeah, so I got the ID cooling, CE214XT, and 500 gigabytes, 3,500 megabytes a second read. I don't know about right, it's probably similar, maybe 3,100. Another 500 gigabyte hard drive. So the next thing I'd probably upgrade it for whoever buys this is going to be like more storage. That's probably what I'd do. And then you could also take the CPU out and get a better 9th gen, maybe an 8-core, 8-thread or something like that. I don't know if it supports a 9900K, and those are kind of expensive for what they are. 32 gigs of T-Force. Forgot what the other, like the rest of it is, but it's RGB. It's like 3,200 megahertz, I think. 32 gigabytes of that, so 216s. And yeah, pretty much it. So comment below, guys, what you'd rather see. Do you want to see like just me building it type of thing, or taking time to show like how to build a PC? Like, so different kind of type of video. But hopefully you guys are doing well. Peace out.